On this note, I would want to bring Mr. Uzu. Mr. Uzu, you can unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Yes, you are now
okay.
unmuted. You can go ahead.
Yes. I was good. What is happening? I was going to say I will rain on the parade. Incidentally, Professor Utomi did that for me, and Ambassador Kesh did that for me. I think the most important thing here is visioning. What does the Ohanaeze stand for? I have been involved in Ohanaeze things, but I just don't know. What does it stand for? And, you know, like every other organization, unless you have a very good, proper visioning, you can't have a structure. And if you don't have that structure, you can't have a strategy that will help you drive the vision. My own thing today is that is very important. I'm saying part of the things Ohanaeze is doing, they are all good and all that. That our strength is somewhere else. Our strength is building height of the economy of Nigeria. We have that already. We can be the Bayern of Nigeria. We can be the Barcelona of Nigeria. You know, I am doing something that is this. I have tried Ohanaeze. I have tried the governors. Ambassador Keshi is talking about lobbying. I used it as advocacy. Ohanaeze could be an advocacy. If you have that structure, that's, you know, part of Ohanaeze advocacy for the private sector to do the things that changes Igbo land. Because if you can build that height of economy, every other thing is added. And it's the simplest thing to do. It's the easiest thing to do. I am doing something, maybe some people in this panel know. Ndiigbo is the easiest place to develop because we have cities that are existing already. Whether it's close to Aba, this one is close to that, this one is close to that. It's a very simple thing we can, you know, to drive the place. So we have to get that vision of Ohanaeze, get the structure, build a strategy that will help us, you know, do better as a people, you know, for things that affect everybody. Because if we don't do that, it's going to be a problem for our children. You know, the way the things are going to change. The rent economy will end. It's going to end very soon, 10, 15 years from today. So are we doing something? If we're not doing that now, if we're not planning now, it's going to be a problem for our children, maybe not for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Njenje.